The iClever ICBK03W Portable Ultralight Portable Keyboard has been reduced to $19.71 with the ICELBK03 code on Amazon. This keyboard has been selling constantly around $29. We shared a couple of offers on the black version of this keyboard around Black Friday last year, but this is the first code we've seen that worked in the white version. This seems to be the perfect keyboard for when you travel and something comes up. Maybe you receive inspiration for a great idea or just fill out a form that you had not completed before. You can unfold this thin keyboard and do what you need to do. It is compatible with iOS, Android and Windows. The built-in Bluetooth has a range of 33 feet, and the keyboard is made with a high-quality aluminum alloy for durability. It automatically goes into sleep mode and turns off to store the battery, which is easily rechargeable. The keyboard has 4.4 stars based on 712 user reviews.